Join GSL Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by GSL Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
The High Court on Thursday briefly heard the petitions pleading to ban LED fishing in deep sea. The petitioner Goa Foundation contended that the boats venturing into the sea for the purpose of fishing should not be allowed to carry the generator sets on the boat, as generator sets are used for LED fishing. The petitioner also mentioned an inspection report prepared by Goa Shipyard Limited and submitted to the Department of Fisheries, mentioning that when they inspected 16 boats, 15 boats were found with generator sets which were having heavy use LED lights which were used for the purpose of fishing. In the Goa Shipyard Limited's inspection report, it is also mentioned all the 15 boats which were having the generator sets, all were having the points and the LED sets which can be used only for the purpose of LED fishing, which is bad for the environment. The High Court has adjourned the hearing for Tuesday afternoon for further consideration. Meanwhile, the petitioner mentioned that the fishing season was supposed to start from the 1st August, but due to bad weather, it has not been started. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.